So whip out your Samsung Galaxy devices because I've got some epic new tips and tricks for you guys. It may be your Samsung S21 or your Tab S7 or any other Samsung devices. Like, did you know with your Samsung devices you can actually read deleted messages? Make sure to stick around till the end of the video and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So let's begin. Now this is kind of a sneaky one but still fun at the same time. So if you have a friend or relative who texts you and then for some reason deletes their message, well, you can simply view that deleted message by using this simple trick. So now you can see I deleted this message and on the other side it says this message was deleted. And now how to fix that is to go into settings, then go into search bar and type in notification history. When that pops up, click it and then toggle it on. So now the next time your friend is texting you and if they deleted the message, well, you'll still see it as deleted in your application. But if you really want to know, go back into the notification history and you can see that my Wi-Fi password was ShivHax home 3535. So this is a great feature, and just in mind, your messages are never really deleted, so be sure to take care before you're sending it. Now this next trick will actually blow your mind because if you're out and about with your buddies and if they run out of battery, you can simply charge their device with the USBC to USBC cable. Let me show you. So first, plug in your cable in your device, then plug into their device, and boom, you can see it's charging. And on your device it will pop up this message. You can just ignore that, and you both can use your phones while giving your buddy a little bit extra juice. On to the next one. So now with this next trick, you can actually turn your phone black and white. And as you can see, with one click of a button, I turned my phone black and white by using bedtime mode. Now bedtime mode is a new feature, so you need to update your phone to the latest software, and you can get this so that you can turn your phone black and white so that you can not damage your eyes at nighttime. So this is quite great. Okay guys, so hear me out. So I've been using the calculator app for years now and I have never seen this before. So if you press the ruler icon, you can actually get unit conversion. So I have data, mass, volume, everything set, and there's like different types. Like if I want to do a megabytes and I can do it in bytes. So what is like 6 megabytes? Well, it's 6 million bytes. So this is quite an amazing way to convert units, and I've like never seen this before. Comment below, have you guys seen this before in your calculator app? Yes or no? On to the next one. Have you ever wanted 2 different apps with 2 different accounts on the same device? Well, you can now with this cool trick of dual messenger. So type it in your search bar and then just toggle the apps that's listed below. So it may be Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, everything. And now if I toggle it on, a copy of it will be downloaded on my page. So I have my normal chat and I have a second one which I will open it later. So I have 2 different apps, 2 different accounts on the same device. Isn't it actually fascinating? Well, let's move on to the next one. Do you like dark mode? Well, this one is for you. So if you want dark mode to be set as scheduled, well, this is how. So type dark mode in your settings and then toggle turn on as scheduled on. Now you can actually set the time, like a particular time in the day, on when you want the dark mode on or off, or as default you can set it as to sunset to sunrise. So this is quite an amazing way so that you don't have to mess with dark mode and everything. Taking care of your device is a must, and the simplest way is to use widgets. So long press on your home screen and go to widgets, and you have tons and tons of widgets. And the one I'm particularly talking about is device care. So press that and then add that to your display. Now on your display, if you tap that, there will be a little broom animation and it will say how much memory has freed up. So this is kind of amazing to free up your device memory so that you can get the fastest response. Do you want a jazzy highlight reel? Well, you can now with Samsung's highlight reel option. So select the videos or pictures that you want to be in participating in the highlight reel, and then go into more, then create, and then highlight reel. And now what this will do is create a highlight reel for you, and it has different types of music, how much duration you want, text or titles, so I have different fonts and everything, different styles. Then you have music, so if you want background music, how much you want or how many music you want to put in, and if you want to add a clip or change the order of the clip. So this is kind of an amazing way to actually create a highlight reel. And there's also ways to change your aspect ratio. So if you want 9:16 for your TikTok or YouTube Shorts, or 16:9 for your YouTube normal video, well, you can do that with this. So you can change the aspect ratio and you can make it into full screen so you can edit better, and then save it, and it will be saved to your gallery. And I have a view right over here on what it looks like. Isn't this amazing? Well, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Have you ever felt the way to not to type someone? I have a clever trick. So open your text box and then click on your keypad settings, then go into touch, swipe and feedback, and then touch and hold, and select voice input. If you just press this space bar right over here, it does speech to text. Now this is great if feeling to write or type something. This is good to use speech to text. On to the next one. And this is the same way as before. So go into your keypad settings and then go into touch, swipe, feedback, and then touch, hold, control, and select cursor control. Now what this will allow you to do is have a mouse-like experience on a keypad. So long press your space bar and you can have the mouse-like experience. Now this is great to make small edits, or if you're typing a long paragraph, this is great. Now screenshots are taken daily, and if you want to take a screenshot, you just need to press the volume button down and the power button together, or use the palm swipe, which I show right up in the corner. There is a video tutorial for that. Or you can ask your old friend Google to take a screenshot, and boom, it will take a screenshot for you. So this is kind of an amazing 3 ways to take a screenshot. Now I bet you have never heard of this, but you can actually join a Wi-Fi without a password. So go into your Wi-Fi and then go into QR code. Now take another device which is not logged into that same Wi-Fi, and then take a photo of it, use the QR code scanner, and then boom, it just turned from Cox Wi-Fi to EMT2, which is my Wi-Fi. So this is kind of an amazing way to connect or join a Wi-Fi without the password. So I hope you learned some new cool tips and tricks about your Galaxy devices. And if you have any type of questions, just drop it down in the comment box below. I will try my best to answer them all. And I'll see you guys next time with another tips and tricks, a product review, or a hack. Who knows? Depends on me. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya!